Now for a natural, glamorous or a soft glam look, the skin needs to look flawless. So today I'm going to do a soft glam look with a little bit of liquid foundation, and then we'll basically just contour our bone structure and features in a glamorous way, of course. And to me, that is what a soft glam makeup is all about. No loud colors, yet very glamorous. My skin prep is usually for dry skin, so I moisturize a lot, whether I use liquid foundation or I use a dry foundation. If you prep well, it works. If you have oily skin, then you go for a primer which has got shine control, oil control. Look for these qualities and go for that. So I'm going to first moisturize my face with the Ashwagandha Bounce by 82E. I totally swear by it. If you massage your face well, you could actually see the difference in the way your face will glow because of all the blood circulation. Then I'm going to use my sunscreen. This is the sunscreen I use by 82E. It's called Turmeric Shield. It doesn't leave a white cast on your face and works out really well under makeup. I'm using the Forever Natural Nude by Dior, Christian Dior. It's very light. You can, again, please use a liquid foundation of your choice. This is something I like because it's really light. And I'm going to only take very little. That's how much I'll take. I probably won't even use the whole thing. I'm taking a thick foundation brush so that the job is done faster. Use a setting spray and just blend it in. See how natural it is? Concealer time. Blend it all in really well. It's very important to use a lip balm before makeup, and because I use that whole nude lip liner primer formula, make sure you dab it off before you do that step. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little contouring, very mild contouring with a powder product. I love this NYX palette. I'll go for a shade that's like this. Although it's a powder brush, the pack 245, I like using it for contouring because it gives me a soft contour. Just go under your cheekbone. And then take it up to your temple. It's very important to bring your bone structure out and your features out when it comes to a soft glam look. Some on the jawline. The temple. If you have a bigger forehead, then you can go all around this part, but otherwise just this much is fine, just the temple. I'm going to just make this brush flat and put it on the two sides of my nose. Take a powder brush and blend it all out. Use a cream blush. My skin is done. I'm going to set it with a spray, and then I'm going to do my eye makeup, my lipstick, and then some highlighter. Now I'm going to do a very soft eye makeup. It's going to be as usual, very easy. Just take a powder or your Studio Fix and mattify the top of your eyes. Use a gel to set your eyebrows so that they don't move. I don't usually draw my eyebrows, but if you need to, please do. Sometimes when I do a very loud, all-out look, that's the only time I do it. Otherwise, I just stick to the gel. This is the Too Faced palette called Palm Springs Dreams. It's discontinued, but this is the kind of colors you need. Basically, I'm going to be using this shade. Very neutral, almost like a skin tone. And I'm going to use a soft brush, which is the Pack 204, and I'm going to put it all over my upper eyelid. Start with the crease line because that needs to be soft. The whole look is soft, and if you have hooded eyes, then you go higher. Otherwise, this is where you start, and then you bring it onto the upper eyelid. Now whatever is left on the brush, just bring it down to the lower lash line. Don't take more product, just use what's left on the brush. So this kind of contours your eyes. Now if you want to put something shimmery here, you can. If you don't want to, it's fine, you can just put your highlighter. Then just take a basic brown eyeshadow like this, which is not very dark. This one is by Miss Claire. Take an angled, thin angled brush that looks like this. This is the Pack 078. This can also be used for your eyebrows. Okay, so now we're going to just line. Now we'll do very soft lining of the eyes. And a little bit on the top near the lashes. No need to come all the way in. Just a little bit of definition. How thick you want this line is up to you. You can just adjust that with the brush. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. So my eye makeup is done. Now we'll do lipstick. I'm going to dab off the lip balm. Now take any nude lip liner and fill out and line your lips. Then take a darker lip liner. My lipstick is also going to obviously be a nude shade because this is a complete soft glam look, highlighting your features, and no bright colors. This is Stunt by Color Bar, easily available and actually is one of my favorite nude shades and looks perfect with looks which are like this. Now the last step is my highlighter. I love this palette. I'm going to use all the shades. Contour, blush and then highlighter. Some on your temple. And some on the tip of your nose. I don't bake a lot, but I'm going to touch up the under eye. A little on the forehead. A little under my contour. Very little. My makeup is done. I'm going to get my hair ready and I'm going to take some pictures. Finish your look with a setting spray.